pilot us in remote. You retrieve.
About to explain how you're going to get paid, so please scoot. That's my warning.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need my forward transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, gunners to defend the shipment, and that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expedition. You help the resistance, I get those profits. Wow, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Come along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you want to
How many? Three. How many your crew? Five. Full time. Your crew. Two step forward. One gunner. Perfect. Good shit. All the way down. Good luck. All the way in.
There's no hole in this doorway. My two pilots are in the front, then my gunners in my squad. I want you guys to stay in your lovely formation of pilots side by side. Gunners behind pilots, introduced by them, 2 by 2 by 2. You guys gonna come up right this way. Pilots right here, side by side, facing me. Gunners behind my pilots, engineers behind them, facing me, pilots. Facing me. 2 by 2 by 2, my friends. When this crew moves forward, you're taking their spot. This squad, still held there. Good. Come on over, my friends. We're gonna wait right here. Are we my two pilots today? We're flying down, hold to go up. Second pilot, you're gonna go left and right. We're gonna work together. They can compensate for me, but I will have you. Just as a warning. My two gunners, you don't have to.
I didn't speak English.
Where's she meet? That's it, just one. My two engineers, you have a bunch of buttons on the side to be repairing the ship as it goes on. You're gonna go around that corner, my friends. Good luck out there.
Just kidding.
Pilot?
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Right this way, recruits. Right this way.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor,
Ready, Mike?
Perfect. All right, recruits. Don't let the first order catch us, and just keep us safe. May the force be with you.
Flight engineer, prepare and lift your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot, pilot on the right, go back on the stick to fly out, and move forward to fly out. Watch it. Joey makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! There it is. After that blade! Flight engineer, fire the harpoon! Pilot, brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. let us in, remote. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will earn the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
My pilot right there, Mike.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and all right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
So were you guys trying to hit everything, or was it an accident?
It was bad.
Oh, yeah.
Freighter that needs immediate transport and maintenance today. This thing is practically scrap metal.